5 reasons it's good to start anything small. So number one is when you start small, you build a solid foundation. So, for example, like I was talking about the bakery situation. If you have the idea of becoming a baker, like a professional baker with, where you can lease a place where you can have customers, if you do that right away and you don't have any proven concept, it's a problem. But if you start small, for example, you start to bake cookies or muffins, and then you sell them, I don't know, to people, or you can even share for free for people to taste and give you their feedback. And you can see over time, if you have people who come to you to ask and pay for your service as a baker, you can start this way. And when you do that over time, you get better, you understand the business, you understand the mistakes you can make, you make mistakes and you learn from them. But because it was small, it doesn't cost you that much money, or even it doesn't cost you anything. And so it's not dramatic when you fail at something. But at least when you start small, you're going to learn about the process, you're going to improve over time, you're going to learn the tricks and tips, and that's because you have been down there and then you just moved up. But if you want to start up and you don't know what's going on over there, you don't have the foundation. And so yes, this is a good reason to start small. Build a solid foundation. If you have a house that has a weak foundation, the house is going to collapse at some point. So if you have a house with solid foundations, where the people who worked on that house knew what they were doing, you have more chances to have a house that lasts a long time.